Hi everyone, today's video is a short mixed set of baby blue nails. My client is having a baby shower and clearly she's having a baby boy, so she wanted something for that. I left a bit of prep work in this video for you, so I'm just pushing back the cuticles now. I've already sanitised my hands and my client's hands. So I'm just scraping away that dead skin and pushing back the cuticles, and then I'm going to come in with my cuticle clean bit, whip around the cuticles with that, and then I'm going to etch the nail with my sanding band on a low speed, and then I'm going to nip away any dead cuticle with my cuticle nippers.
That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love. That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love. That's just love.
So now I'm just sizing up some tips and gluing them on.
And you keep on thinking that's just love. That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love.
And now I'm just coming in with my clippers and cutting them down to my client's desired length, and then I'll file them into the ballerina shape that she wants, just to lessen my filing at the end. Now I'm just coming in with my dehydrator and then 2 coats of primer. I've done 2 coats of primer because today I'm using an acid-free one. So I'm just applying a thin layer of clear acrylic down as a base first, just in case my client wants a redesign when she comes back rather than a soak off or an infill. So I'm just going to put that down, and then I'll be coming in with my colours and glitter afterwards. So on the ring finger and middle finger, I'm actually just applying some gel polish, and this is a pastel blue colour from the gel bottle, and I'm applying 2 coats of that. The reason why I'm using a gel polish for this is that my client really likes this shade of blue, and I didn't have an acrylic powder that was quite light enough for her. So to save the faff of mixing up a colour, we just use a gel polish, which I've done before, but before I put any acrylic on, I do cleanse the tacky layer off. And I'm just coming in with my cover pink. I think that this is exposed from Diamond Nail Supplies. I do have a discount code for them, it's Emma10. It should get you 10% off anything you order on the site.
That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love. That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love.
On the pinky finger, we decided to just do a full glitter nail. This glitter is from Diamond Glitters, but I can't remember the name of it. But it would be really easy to spot on the site. I'll also leave the name of it in the description box. And then on this index finger, I'm going to do a sort of glitter ombre. So I'm just coming in with my cover pink first, and then using that blue glitter at the tip and fading that up the nail towards the cuticle.
That's just love. I would never let you down.
And I'm applying that gel polish to the thumbnail. This was going to be just a plain baby blue nail, but then my client wanted to add some glitter, so we did that and faded it down from the cuticle towards the free edge, but not all the way, so it's still kind of like a glitter ombre effect.
And you keep on thinking that's just love.
I'm just encapsulating all the nails now in negligee, I think I was using to do this. That's also from Diamond Nail Supplies. I do really like this to work with from the core powders, especially if you're just building out a nail. To put gel polish on top, I just find it really easy to control, and doing your encapsulating your ombres with it just gives it that nice sort of healthy glow.
That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love. That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love. That's just love. I would just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love. That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love.
So I'm just doing my finish filing now. I'm tidying up the sides of my hand file first. I only used my e-file on the ombre nails because I felt like they needed debulking more than the others. Once I had filed those two ombre nails, there was a little bit of shadowing from the line of the gel polish underneath because it's such a pigmented colour. I think it did leave that harsh line, so this is a bit of a learning curve for me. So what I did at the end to keep my client happy was I sort of disguised it a little bit with some Swarovski crystals, and I just didn't charge her for those. And everyone was happy, and I learned that this is not a good colour to try and do an ombre with. That's just love. I would never let you down. That's just love. And you keep on thinking that's just love. So yeah, as I mentioned, I'm just putting those Swarovski crystals on to try to disguise that shadowing a little bit. It's not the most obvious, but it's definitely noticeable. And what I didn't want was to pretend I couldn't see it and then my client go home later and be unhappy with the way that they looked. So I made her aware that it was there and that I didn't like the way that it looked, and that I was happy to put these crystals on for her. She was happy with that as well. So yeah, it is important to keep your clients happy. You know, everyone makes mistakes. I think no one's perfect in this industry. I'm certainly not, and there's loads of nail technicians that are definitely probably better than me. But yeah, keeping your customers happy is so important. I know that she's not going to moan about, you know, that she's paid XYZ for the nails and they're not looking how she wants them to. So yeah, that's that. So once I've finished doing all the crystals and stuff, I'll then come in with my tack-free top shine from Diamond Nail Supplies, and then I've left a picture of the finished product for you. I'm filming as well from a bird's eye view. I haven't been able to do that for a while because I got a new phone, which was then too heavy for the old kind of camera mount thing that I was using. So I got a new one to take the weight of my phone. So I hope you guys like it. If there is anything that you think I can do to improve the quality of my videos, then please do let me know. I'm open to constructive criticism. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'm happy to answer any questions in the comments as well. And I'll see you in another one soon. Bye.